how low should your minimum price be? Or to put it another way, how high can your minimum price be? Well, we're not talking about price gouging, just self-respect. You are a skilled professional offering a high quality service. You need to price accordingly. So work out the unpaid time that you spend on an average job. So you have the initial inquiry, it might be a call or a couple of calls or an email, working out the quote, arranging a time to do the job, preparing your tools, driving to the job, getting out of the car, and then entering the place of work. Then you also have packing up at the end, invoicing, driving home, possibly chasing up an unpaid invoice, and then doing the accounts for this job. So an average job could easily have an hour or more of unpaid work. Value that time. Whatever it takes to actually do the job itself, add on an extra hour because you're not a charity. Think about what your competitors are charging. You don't want to undercut. That would hurt your brand image and make people suspicious about the quality of workmanship that they can expect. Minimum prices also help to filter out high maintenance customers. Now, it might seem counterintuitive, but if you charge too little, you'll attract people who actually demand a lot for that smaller amount of money. And then that leads to being frustrated and burning out. So stand behind a fair, profitable rate to attract clients who respect your time and talents. Now, I know for me, in the past, I had a minimum of $100. But when I raised it to $150, it was like a great relief. I hardly lost any clients, but were making a lot more profit from those small jobs. Well, now my minimum is higher than that too. So having a decent minimum price is vital to running a sustainable business and attracting the right kinds of clients. I'm Jono Bull, the Expert Coach.